Hello guys, Steve here, SCX10 and I got a tip for you with your SCX10 III. Check your stock wheels because I only had one good one on my whole truck here. You could see the holes in the bead lock. I don't know if you guys could see that. Let me take a look right like that. See the hole? It should be there, and that makes two of them on the opposite side. All three of mine, they put the hole behind where you put the bolt in there, and listen to this, hardly no air escapes, and they don't conform because they're hard. And look at this, it conforms to the terrain. So check yours out. This one was sealed all the way up. Some had half a hole and they were real, like the air wouldn't come out, so the tire didn't conform. I'm going to show you what I did, how you do it here. You just unscrew all these. I don't believe they put them in like that. Three of them, like I said, were bad, so I just wanted to show you guys who have these rigs, because your tires, they'll work a lot better with the air getting out of them than sealed or partially sealed. Should I use my drill here? Takes forever for these. I was wondering why my tires felt like they weren't when I was driving this. It's actually my brother's rig. When we were driving, these didn't work too good. Now we know why. They were staying stiff and not conforming to the rocks. They're probably going to work a lot better. Alright, let me see if I got all these out. What you want to do is just take this out. Now you see the hole? They have two of these opposite of each other. You don't want them lined up where you put the screws in. You want to take the one side out and put it back in like that, so it's in the center in between the two. Then you just basically screw this in. I'm not going to show you guys, but when you screw that in, you'll have the hole in between and your air will escape like this one here. So there's a tip for you guys. Check your trucks out. Some may be half blocked. You want them both showing straight in the center so the air escapes really quick, so when you're riding you go over something, your tire conforms. Thanks guys for watching. I hope this helped you out. If you liked the video, please leave me a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. SCX10 out.